Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It is Friday the 13th. Ooh, you know what that means, spooky time.
Morning.
Good morning, G. Hopefully all of us are ready to have a great weekend. I'm already mentally in the weekend. That's why I got the hat today. We're going to be vibing. We're going to be working on printing some money today. Let's stay safe in the markets. We had the CPI come out this morning, and now we're going to wait for our moves, and we're going to execute. That's all we can do here. Let me pull the market up on this screen. What's up, Hamid? Appreciate that, bro. I'm glad you like the hat. It's my sombrero. I'm going to be in Mexico on Sunday. So I figured, you know what I'm saying? I got to do the Friday stream with the sombrero on. Get me mentally ready. Good morning, Brett. Let's see here. So right now we're currently below the VWAP. We're below the 21 EMA. Below the close from yesterday. Let me see where we got some pivots. We do have a pivot below us down at 556. 556 even. Let's look for a pivot above us. We do have a pivot at 987.75. 987.75. Good morning, Izzy. Good morning, sir. VWAP is currently sitting at 749.75 on my 2-minute chart, and 21 EMA sitting at 752.75. I'm not gonna lie, your boy almost FOMO'd into a trade already this morning, but thankfully I did not, because I saw this bear flag, but I'm like, we got no momentum on it, so I can't even take it. I may take a couple extra snipes today, only because of the, I gotta go do that. It's 9:21. I just realized I gotta do something, boys. Oh, what am I clicking? That would have been bad. That would have been bad. Let me go fix something real quick. I just realized it. I'll be right back. Buddy.
What's going on, Steve?
Hey, what's going on with you, man?
Cooling.
I'm so happy for you, dude.
Thank you.
Sounds like a Miami Vice rerun during this part of the song.
All right, folks, I'm back.
Morning, Steve.
Good morning, everybody. Good mornings.
Uh-oh. There's a sombrero.
All right, boys. We're ready. I'm already mentally in the weekend. All right. You know what I'm saying? Gonna be Mexico. Don't worry, we're still streaming, we're still trading, everything like that went out there. Oh man, let's see who we got in here. We got the best market makers in the world in here right now, and everyone on YouTube, welcome. Right now, we have the VWAP currently sitting at 749.25. 21 EMA, 747.50. Then we also have a pivot point below us, 556 even. A pivot above us up at 987.75. And then the close from yesterday, 822. I'm excited to see what we get because yesterday, as soon as we got off the stream, literally 2 minutes after the market dumped, like, man, I wish I was still, but at the end of the day, I had to be a good father. So, awesome. My banker just emailed me back. Appreciate that. I need to turn some AC on. I need to drop the temp. Hold on. Today, the name of the game is patience. We gotta wait like trained snipers to execute today. I'm debating. I'm gonna try not breaking one of my rules, but I know I need to wait till 9:45. But if I see a solid momentum play before, I may take it today. I only say that only because I'm trying to put in on 2 accounts just under a G, and then on one of my accounts just $300. So hopefully we have some decent momentum so I could catch it quick on one of them just to get that out the way, at least the $300 one, so we can keep moving. I'm trying to get a couple payouts today. I gotta get some more pesos. Okay, what's up, Andre? Ever see the movie? I have not seen that movie. I know we don't break the rules. Listen, I very rarely break my rules, but if I do break them, it's for a good reason.
And then this is like a pro tip for anybody that's watching around the world. Whenever he puts on a hat, it's like it's alter ego, so then you can like change it up a bit.
Exactly. If the sombrero comes out, boys, just know, muy loco. Muy loco.
Oh dear God.
Oh my God, you're gonna live in the vida loca.
I like his reflection of it.
Hey, V, real quick.
Yeah.
Before that big jump in the green candle, like 15 minutes before, there was a reversal candle that showed that it was gonna be green. So I'm just going off a limb right now, not financial advice, but I think it might be going up today, or at least for the start of it.
Okay. Well, if it does, we don't care what direction it wants to move in. We're here for it. This is not trader's advice. You're literally watching a random guy on the internet with a sombrero trade. So be careful. Trade at your own risk. We may go down. We had that pop up for the CPI news, but then we started going sideways after, kind of just like consolidating. So I want to see what we actually get this morning.
Is there any more news today?
No, that was it for the day. It was all 8:30 news today.
And you'll update us on what they're doing with the economic news in Tradeify? Like
yeah, I'm actually working on trying to see if I could get a journal in the community, so that way you guys could literally just go to in the community for a tab for news and see what we got going on for the day. You can use like TradingView 9er. Our trading journals with Tradeify, they normally show us the news for each day, but their journal's been down this week, which has been slightly annoying. because I like seeing my stats, see how I'm doing. And this week I haven't been able to watch my stats.
10 seconds.
Huh? What's
It's about to happen, baby. Rock and roll.
Market's open. Market's open. Ding, 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 ding. There we go. What's up, baby? I'm trading. Oh, no.
I'm trading. I'm anticipating.
No, I'm good. That's good. DJ. No, it's not a second chart. It's a Renko chart. Okay, Smooth. I gotta see how I could put it in where it's always updating. That's my thing for the community. Alrighty, well, I feel less FOMO right now. Watching that dip down and pop right up. So
Woke you up a little bit, didn't it?
just slightly. I gotta remember base hits gets the payout. So I think some of my FOMO today came from just knowing that the market dumped yesterday without me. Where I want to make.
I'm a member of like Legacy Wealth, and one of the things we go by is the market's always gonna repeat itself.
That it does. And thank you for helping me, Steve. Normally I'm trying to help you, but sometimes you guys actually help me, believe it or not.
When he says you guys, and I'm the only one talking, he's acknowledging all my very personalities at the same time.
I'm acknowledging you and everybody else. At this point, just going to patiently wait because I'm not going to short into a buying wick. Just saying. Gambling? No gambling. This is trained execution. Order filled. Actually, I need to work on because I gotta get used to just holding my finger directly on the mouse, because normally I'm holding it up like this, like throughout the trading session, keep my finger off the button. But lately, like, I don't know if I'm getting arthritis just on my finger for doing that, but I gotta let it relax a little bit these days.
Well, it is a powerful thing, but it's not a gas, so you can put your finger on the trigger and be all right.
But when my finger's on the trigger, it's like more, I just feel like it gets super heavy where I just want to click the button. So that's why I gotta hold it up. Like, you guys can't see because my hand's forward, but my finger's normally up. High risk analyzer, something like that. Yeah, right now this market has me wanting to wait. So, what's up, Kush? Brett, good morning. Is in here. Smooth. Let's make some money, folks. Let's make some money today. It's the weekend, so let's keep it safe as possible. Let's get in, get out, and run. That's it. I highly doubt that, millionaire. I personally know you, so I doubt you're in Cleveland right now.
Nah, I'm too smart for that shit.
Maybe on Cleveland Street in APK, but
Where the hell is that?
No clue, but it sounded good.
That sounds like it could be in No, it's Cleveland. I want to get up there. Like, that's like a cool area to see once in a while, but
okay.
museums and stuff.
I may head up there this coming football season for like a football game before winter. Jake, you already know, bro. I'm gone, bro. Mentally, I'm in Mexico right now.
Oh wait. Isn't the rock and roll Hall of Fame up there? Like, not to want to get involved with like the tweakers and the traffic. That's what I want to see.
That's weird. That the sound is
They got
weird.
Rock and roll and football Hall of Fame.
Well, I didn't know the football Hall of Fame was there. That's like a twofer.
No, I did not trade CPI today. They're saying the music. I don't trade pre-market.
I did.
Hopefully you made your smonnies.
$754.
Oh, nice.
And that's in micros.
Well, that's awesome. Let's see. Let me pull up the audio for the streams. Make sure we're sounding crispy. I didn't do anything. So you guys are saying it sounds way better now. I didn't do anything. Oh. I think I know what it is. Hold on, folks.
Oh, he's gonna get his little guitar on.
No guitar. I forgot to plug it.
Guitar on, not guitar.
I was rushing this morning. Where's my cord? Come on. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Let's see if that helps a little bit. We'll give that a couple seconds. I forgot to plug in my actual internet cord into my little adapter. So, and I forgot to plug in the actual computer as well. So it's probably dying. That's why I was starting to glitch a little bit if it was glitching for y'all.
You know, eventually you just gotta have like a traveling setup to use for your trader hangout. So you just leave your other stuff up here, like you're not moving it all the time.
That's actually a really good idea. Steve, you always had the really good ideas, I must say.
Yeah, just have it like rock solid, wired in and stuff, and then it's just easier to like troubleshoot stuff that does go whack, but you know, it's just then you have the other things like portability.
Yeah. Yeah, I could probably just buy a new laptop for the streams.
Oh, yeah, like at any price point, it'll be like more than adequate. You can just get something nice.
I use laptop Smooth. How are you supposed to catch the trades in such a short time interval? The top chart, that's Renko bars. So we're looking for the momentum. And then we wait for our flags. We wait for our flags and then we execute. Are your trades automated? No, they are not.
Unless you consider you a robot, which I do sometimes.
I honestly need to do a PC build, but I'm like so pro Mac. That's why I haven't yet. We gotta get my boy a setup. Hey. Yeah, I've been telling myself I need to get a setup for a minute. I just haven't pulled the trigger.
Yeah, but back in the glory days, like all the editing, all the habits were Mac, so that's the only way you could go. So it's like once I broke off, though, it's like I'm glad I did.
Yeah. All right, I got 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes, and I'll be officially cleared to trade. I'm surprised I have not FOMO'd into a trade, but I'm also not watching the Renko bars right now, so that way I'm not even trying to play with it right now. Because as soon as I start doodling, that's when I'm like, oh man, I want to get in.
Well, I already see a doodle on your one chart, on your 2 minute.
Well, this one's the 5.
Oh, the 5.
Yeah, that was the 5. I did do a little one. Yeah, shoot it over to me, Jake. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, Nelly. We got the overnight low down here. Looks like it may get taken out here. The 620.50. 620.50 is the overnight low. Oh, this is so hard not to take. Woosah, Duane. Woosah. It's okay. The moves always repeat themselves.
Can you say that again? I didn't quite hear it.
The moves always repeat themselves.
You gotta hear yourself say that too.
That I do. Well, we just took out the overnight low. We have a pivot point 555. Well, 556.25. Well, yeah, 556 even actually. 556 even. Bro, I was going short right at market open, but I held myself from doing that. 4 more minutes. Come on. I want to trade. The past 2 days, I saw the play and I didn't take it because I had the 15-minute rule to wait in. And man, it would have paid. It would have paid dramatically.
Yeah, we gotta remember what you always tell everybody over and over again. Even if you win on the first time, it's just like you find your overall pay is like your payouts are bigger when you don't. So
that is true. That is true, Steve. Thank you.
You either like sit down with yourself and figure it out, or you just need to stand with what you said.
You right. Like, I appreciate it. Like this week, I've been pouring to y'all. Today, Steve and the market makers are pouring to me. Okay, because I'm a trader too. You know what I'm saying? We all have certain emotions and feelings. Like we're when we want to just jump in, and that's been me today. Jake has to be disciplined, bro. That's the only way you win at this. It's not always easy being disciplined.
Well, if discipline was easy, then nobody would be going to work because everybody would just be doing this.
That is true. All right, let's start doodling. I gotta start doing something active. Let's see if we build out a little flaggy flag. Big drop on the S&P. Good job on the $600, Kush. That's awesome, bro. Look at that big old buying wick on the 5-minute right there. We don't short into big buying wicks. That's bad for business. So right now, the high of this 15-minute range, the high of the 15 right now is 799.50. 799.50 is looking like it'll be our high, as long as the bulls don't push this back up. And the low is going to be 578.75. 578.75. We got the 21 EMA sitting above us. And we also have the VWAP 737 here. Hey, we going to talk about today, bro. We're going to talk about today. There's 945. There's a VWAP tab. So looks like the 15-minute range numbers I just gave you is going to hold. So right now we're pretty much close to the middle of the 15-minute range. Slightly above the 15-minute range, middle of the 15-minute range. So
He's talking himself into a trade. I could see it in my eyes. It's like the middle. Wait, it's the middle plus. I'm ready. No, I'm just kidding.
Jake, I'll probably hit you honestly around like 2-ish. Man, look at, ooh. All right, well, the high of that 15-minute range just got disrespected pretty aggressively there. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, Nelly. Big trust. Good morning, sir. Let's see if we get a bull flag. Show me the money.
Show me the money.
We got the close from yesterday, 822. 822. Apex still not getting back to you. I can't help with that one, fam. I don't got connections over there. I don't trade with them.
You had fun with Apex before. I was remembering that.
Oh, I had tons of fun.
You took a trade on a Tuesday. All this is worthless.
I recommend Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader. I'm fully funded with Tradeify, 1 funded with Lucid, and 2 pro accounts with Take Profit. No, Justin, it's a Renko chart. It helps you, it takes all the noise out so you can see the momentum. Thank you, Smooth. I'm working on trying to get fully funded with them with 5 accounts as well. But the fact that it's 5 seconds, I do like that. I'm honestly waiting. We are above the 15-minute range right now, but I'm waiting to see us tap 822, because I want to see how we react there. There we go. Well, right through 822, like it wasn't even sitting there. Alrighty. Well, I need some type of a flag to print so I can get in here. I got you, Niner. Come on, Betsy. Give me a flaggy flag. We do have some selling pressure trying to step in right here, but the bulls have been very, very, very aggressive so far today. All right, let's see if we get this flag. I feel like we want to test that overnight high. Jake, from your lips to God's ears, bro. From your lips to God's ears. Right now, the bulls are trying to protect the high of this 15-minute range. Are they going to be able to save it? We're both waiting, fam. We're both waiting. Right down to coming up to that VWAP. If you're in the green, bro, take your money. Yeah, the demo because you're doing an eval. I need a solid flag. Because right now with how the Rinkos are dancing, I need a flag. I need a flag. Base hits, bro. Base hits. We're getting closer and closer to the middle of this 15-minute range. When we're in the middle of the 15-minute range, I normally don't take a trade there because I don't diddle in the middle, and y'all shouldn't either. No diddy. Nice, Jake. All right, there's the middle of the 15-minute range right there. Nothing. I just wait, bro. I wait for my move. We're currently below the VWAP, below the 21 EMA as well. Just waiting right now. Just waiting. The fight is real right now. The fight is real. Look how those bears just stepped in right there. I want to get away from this VWAP. Like, we're just like sitting right here close to it. I need to get away from it. I need to get away from it. Don't matter in what direction. The 2 minute. I'm looking at the 2 minute for the VWAP. We do have a lot of selling pressure right now, but I just want to get in the game, coach.
Don't rush it. You don't chase it, you just find it.
Coming back up to the high of this 15-minute range now. Let's see if the Bulls push it. They want to, but we got these sellers stepping in, so the chop is real right now. There's the VWAP tap through the VWAP. Okay. That was a horrible fill. I got out of that. I didn't get filled where I wanted to. That was a horrible fill. Horrible fill. It lagged for like a whole second. Well, I'll rotate. There's the middle of the 15-minute range tab. Dance in the middle. I just took a quick little short, but I didn't get filled where I wanted to, so I missed. There was some slippage, so I just closed down the green. All right, let's see if we build us a little bear flag. But we're in the middle of this 15-minute range, so I definitely want to get below this bad boy. We're coming up on 10 o'clock as well, less than 2 minutes now. Come on, Betsy. Come on now. Alrighty. We have some selling pressure here, but we're sitting right in the middle of the 15-minute range. I want to get below the 15-minute, the middle of the 15-minute range here. I want to get below it with some momentum so I can take another short. Put the line on my 2-minute chart there. So if we break that line, let me actually move it down just slightly because that kind of has a baby wick.
Baby wick. 20 seconds till 10 o'clock.
Thank you. The top chart, those are Renko bars. I use Renko bars to confirm the momentum of the market for my entries and exits. So you have to pair it with the standard candlesticks to truly make money with it. Well, there's 10 o'clock. Popped up there, almost tapped the VWAP. Let's let this settle here. Yeah, you're going not going to say your name because it's not even a real name. But yes, you have to do the simulated trading on Tradeovate if you bought something through like Tradeify, Lucid, any firm. Nice, Big Trust. Look at how the Bulls are trying to push it. Where's the Bears at? Where's the Bears at? What's up, Starship? Welcome, bro. Right now, we're going sideways. We are going sideways right now. So, just when we're going sideways, that's consolidation. So, just know the move will happen. But we had to ask ourselves, are we going to be here for it? You're out, Jake? All right, man. Have a good one. I'll hit you later. Currently above the VWAP. Still patiently waiting. What if we do, Big Trust? We'll take it. I don't care what direction the market moves in. I just want to go up or down, not sideways. Oh. I honestly want to get out of this 15-minute range currently just to give us some extra wiggle room here because I don't like us going sideways right now. I switch over to it here and there. But I like, Hamid, honestly, I like the 2 minute a little bit more. Because on the 1 minute chart, right, you're going to see a lot of up and downs, everything like that. And I personally, I'm not trying to jump in every single time I see a small little flag print. So I like the flags on the higher time frames because it gives you a little bit more consistency. And it keeps me off the market a little bit longer as well. So back below the VWAP, back below the 21 EMA. No, so Andre, what you need to do on your NinjaTrader, when you log into it, save your workspace. So once you have it set up, save your workspace. So that way, next time you log into it, it's already there. Actually, I should probably do that. While we're just chopping, let me check something real quick. Oh, that works. Yeah, that's why I like having the 2-minute pulled up. It keeps me out just jumping in certain trades. We're going sideways, so just waiting. If we break this yellow line, I'll take a short. But we gotta break through that line with momentum. We're going to see, bro. Right now, we're just chopping in the middle. Well, close to the middle. Jake, that's awesome, bro. We're definitely going to talk. Because your numbers are crazy, bro. I love it. I love it. Mini. I don't trade micros. It depends on my mood and the market conditions. Like right now, this would be 2 minis. So if the market's moving really smooth and clean, I'll size up. When it's chopping a little bit, I'll size down. If it's like chopping like crazy, I'll size down 1 mini.
Sometimes the horse can go up to 12.
That has to be a really good day for the market moving right.
What's your feeling on this sideways fun?
I want to get away from it.
Yeah, me too.
Because I want to make some money today. I did not full port CPI. I don't trade pre-market news. Because I don't roll out of bed till 8:40. So I'm already late to the party. If I was trying to trade pre-market. Coming up here close to the high of the 15-minute range. Let's see what we get here. I want to clear some of these previous candle wicks. Because I'm not trying to get chopped up here. Depends on the momentum, trust. Gus, it's the chop day. We're going sideways a little bit. All right, so we broke out of the 15-minute range right there for a second. Literally for a second. Shaking? No, for a second. Yeah, we're just dancing right now. What?
Let's not do it again.
Yeah, no dancing for me. No dancing for me. Let's see if we build out a bull flag. We got some buying pressure here. Ah, that's trash. That's trash. I need literally 20 bucks. 20 bucks to take a payout on this account. Gotta love it. We just tapped the close from yesterday, 822. Appreciate it. I'm gonna have to put one more trade on. Because of the commissions and fees. All right, Duane. We're at the close from yesterday. I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom. Be right back, boys. Golly. Hold down the fort. Be right back.
Hey, G, are you in it at all? Anybody? Legacy fam, is anybody in it?
Yeah, I'm in it.
Okay, cool. I felt like I was in Twilight Zone. I was talking to myself. intriguing.
Now is the time to go short. Because that reversal candle.
Yeah, no kidding. It'd be great to get something. I just want it to blow out, man. It's Friday. I want it to rock and roll. Oh man, he's crying now.
Sorry, boys, I'm back.
Put the hat back on before you speak, sir.
Sorry, boys, I'm back.
There he is.
Oh, didn't miss anything, clearly.
Well, if you would have done the short, you would have been doing pretty good.
Yeah, but we did have a flag for a short, just looking at it.
Well, you know, I'll tell you what. All the money you made without a flag, just give it to me because you're right. It's unworthy of you.
It's unworthy of it. I'm going to do one more trade on this account. Try putting in like another $50.
Why don't you put it on micros and have some fun?
No. I'd rather just in and out, quick. Because the $50 would cover like the fees and all that. Just to play it safe. So I can take a pay on this account today. Long it? I'm not just going long it. We are through the 21 EMA, but I'll do something like that if I'm in an eval. But all my fundeds, your boy sits and waits. I have taken a trade. So far, I'm green on 2 accounts. I trade multiple funded accounts. The yellow line. I put the yellow line up there. I was looking to see if we were going to get like a bull flag. So if we would have broken through my yellow line, I would have taken it along. We're doing a small bear flag right here. Well, they're trying to do a small bear flag. But we're still above this 21 EMA and the VWAP. So I wouldn't be short until we get below it. If I was trying to take it short. But right now we're just chopping. And that's not good. Right now we got a lot in a small area. We got the 21 EMA, the VWAP real close together.
Undid any thought of that flag.
But my flag over here is still in play on the 5 minute.
That's not a flag, that's a freaking monument.
That's a monument. Sorry to hear that, undercover. Patience, bro, patience. Right now the market's chopping. Can't play in the middle, yo. Do not diddle in the middle, bro. Listen, I've gotten chopped up so many times where I don't even want to touch it if we're going in the middle sideways. Because look, bears are stepping in here. There's the VWAP tap. Are they going to have enough to flush through here? Like, yeah, like these candles right now are crazy.
This is the kind of stuff that lures people in, and then before they know it, they've just been like down to a round with like a boxing match. And like, what happened?
Sorry to hear that, bro. But if you did both, that means you're over trading, fam. Can't overtrade. Cannot overtrade. Listen, if you have a losing trade or a losing half, whatever, walk away. For me, if I take a losing trade on account, I rotate to a different one. Because believe it or not, when you rotate accounts, it mentally resets you because you see all zeros again. All right, we lost that VWAP. We did push through my yellow line right here, but I want more follow through. I want more follow through, and then it pops it. That's dirty. Gus, only you could decide on that, bro. Only invest what you're willing to risk. Yeah, this bad boy is just chopping. At this rate, I'm not even going to be able to get through all my funded accounts trading them. Tonight, 9:30. Well, it'll be either 9:30 or 10 tonight. I'll let you guys know on the schedule for the stream for the hangout. Going out to dinner tonight. So we may have to push back till 10 for the traders hangout.
Where are you going to eat?
No clue yet. No clue yet.
I've never heard that place. Is it good?
It's really good. They serve everything.
sounds like one of those things. Where do you want to eat? I don't know. How about Mexican? No. What about like going to steakhouse? No.
Yeah, it won't be Mexican because we're waiting for Mexico for that one.
Well, okay, well, listen. You're dressed for it.
I'm dressed for it. There's my yellow line tab on the 5 minute. Just broke out of the 15-minute range for a second there.
Just testing your blinking speed.
You gotta blink fast with this one today. Yeah, this thing's chopping. Let's see if we build a little bull flag. I need some type of flag. There we that's close. That's close. There's the 822 again. Oh, that's what I can do. Hold on, let me check something. Let's see if I got it. That's after fees right there. Is that it? That's it. I'm done trading this account. Because after fees, I'm good. Because that's the one thing you have to pay attention to are the fees. All right, so just secure the payout on this account. Let's rotate. That was the longest ever. Let's rotate to the next account here.
Green in the dark.
Yeah, I know. I'm rotating. There we go. We're back. We're back, folks. We're above the close from yesterday. We have the overnight high up here at 863. Let's see if we build out another flag. I need a flaggy flag. What in the world? I got my first target. My first official target is 917.50. 917.50. Just took out the overnight high right there. Your boy would like to see a flaggy flag.
He'd like to see a flag.
I do. I want to see a flaggy flag. $10.30 on that trade right there. $10.30 on that trade. We'll take that one. Let's rotate to the next one. So on that account, I would have just secured another payout. We'll take that gladly. Awesome. So that's 2 payouts secured for today. Let me rotate to the next one. Let's see if I could secure 3 payouts today, which would be very, very nice. Which one do I want to trade? Which one? So 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one. 178. Nice time. No, so these are with Tradeify, so I did not choose the daily payouts because on some of my accounts, they're growth accounts. And even on my select accounts, I don't do daily payouts. For me personally, I don't need daily payouts, so I'd rather just trade for the 5 days and just take a larger payout without needing a buffer or anything like that. Because when you're doing daily payouts with Tradeify, you have to have over $2,100 before you can request a payout. So you have to get above $2,100, and all your additional profits, you could take a payout on that. But you have to stay above the $2,100. When I hear day trading, this is what comes from. You can say that. We trade every day. That's day trading. You trade every day. Let me actually. And that thing's pumping right now. Pumping. Let me check something. Let me see if I did. Yes, we did. So far for the day, I've secured 3K in payouts. Not too shabby. I'll pay myself later today once the dashboard updates. And that's 3,000 more pesos I can spend.
I hope it's more than 3,000 pesos for sure.
Big trust, it really does. It takes all the guesswork out. Sean, the learning curve is not steep if you find someone to follow that does it the right way. Like, my strategy is crazy simple. I mean, crazy simple. Anyone can do it. Join the Legacy Wealth Society. Is free to join. So that way we can get you plugged in and learning, because trading is the best thing any one of us could ever do. You get time, you have real freedom when you learn how to trade, because you can go where you want when you want. You don't have anyone telling you how much you can earn, because you can always earn with trading. And the best part is, it's location proof. You can literally travel the globe making money and never have to think about finances. That's why I'm doing on a trading tour this year. I'm going to a new country or state every single month of the year. We're vlogging it, we're streaming it, we're trading it, because I want to show you guys what's achievable when you lock into a simple strategy and you master the psychology of trading. That's why most traders fail. They fail because they don't master the psychology of trading. We did hit my first target that I had called out a little while ago, the 917.25, 917.25. Let's see if we build out a little flaggy flag to take us higher. I'm honestly chilling at this point. No, I locked in the 3K in payouts. I was honestly, well, do I do it? No, I probably won't. I'll save that other account for next week to take a payout on. Because I have another account. How much I need? I need like less than $600 to take a payout on that one. So I could technically...
We're stepping up, just find the flag and prove it to us. Sucker.
Let's run it. Let's run it. If you're hesitating before taking your trade, that means you don't trust your system. Whatever strategy you're using, you're not trusting it. Because if you truly trust your system and your system truly works consistently, you'll always execute. You only hesitate because you don't trust your strategy that you're using. You a part of an MLM? No, Anthony, I'm not part of an MLM. No MLM. MLM here. No multi-level marketing here. I have my own private trading community.
How does that even work on trading?
They had a couple MLMs that were trading type, but
that's crazy.
Big Trust verified this message. Appreciate you, sir, for verifying my message.
You trade with us and you trade for a timeshare. Let's go.
Yep, if you want to join the Legacy Wealth Society, you have to put $13,000 down on a timeshare that you can never go to. No, that's a joke. You can join for free, folks. You can join the community completely for free, or just continue watching on YouTube for free. And that's that.
Hey, D, what did I tell you, man? I said because of those reverse candles and because of your flags, I used those two strategies. And like you said, I trusted myself, and I stood into a trade for about 50 minutes. And,
What?
I finally got my payout. Not my payout, but I finally went green because I went in like before the market opened, and I said I'm gonna just do full tilt. But it paid out.
Hey, I'm glad it paid out this time for you, sir. Don't go on full tilt, bro, because it's not always lucky. Go on full tilt, but you did call it.
That's a strategy that I feel confident about, and that's why I said I'm gonna just full tilt. And if I feel that confident, then let's go.
Bro, I'm happy for you, bro. Trust yourself. Trust your strategy. Because believe it or not, folks, traders fail not because of the strategy. They fail because of the psychology. Big Trust, it was a joke. You don't need to send 13K anywhere. Look at us coming back down. That's a pretty aggressive fall right there. Is that my landscaper? If that's my landscaper, I'm gonna have to run downstairs. Yo, I've been doing a leg workout today, going up and down my stairs this morning.
You got ants in your pants today.
No ants in the pants. No ants in the pants. No, it's not my landscaper. It's down the street. We got that 21 EMA below us. Come on, Betsy. A little bit more. Bam, baby. Locked in 5K payout today. Get off of me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let's freaking go. My bad, folks. My bad. Your boy got excited. I gotta get the sombrero back. Or else Steve will say I can't talk.
He broke the sombrero.
We'll take that. Awesome. Let me confirm here. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Your boy just locked in a 5K payout. So that makes me happy. That makes me happy, boys. So I will not be waiting tonight for the hangout to request the payout. I'm going to take it as soon as they update the account. So that way I can have it by the traders hangout tonight. So I can show a drop into the account tonight.
Drop it like it. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, Trust, you can send them my way. Tell them to join the community. And have them put you down as the referral. And we could talk about some other things when I'm not live. You feel me?
I feel it.
Let me call my girl real quick because I told her on my baby. Because I've been talking about this 5K payout all week. But now I got to call her and be like, yeah, your boy got it today. Hold on.
Your boy got it.
Hey, baby, you're on speaker with the stream, just so you know, so don't say anything too crazy. Your boy just wanted to tell you I locked in that 5K today.
That's awesome. What do you mean I'm on the phone with a stranger?
No, I said the stranger, my bad. You're on live right now. I thought I said it. Yeah, the stream. Like,
Talking to a stranger about $5,000.
no stranger, but your boy locked in that 5K that I've been talking about all freaking week. So
That's awesome. Congratulations.
we got some more pesos to spend. Yeah,
Yeah,
you're good. Bye. Love you too.
You gotta talk to a stranger.
Well, I'm gonna rotate to another funded account, and if we get another move. Yo, I am hot today. I don't know if I ate too much cheese last night or what, but your boy is hot today.
You went for faster than eating cheese, man. That'll do it.
All right, rotate to this one. I wish the trading journal was working with Tradeify so I could like see my stats because I have not been able to post my stats this week because the journal's not working.
The CEO said you're gonna be making an announcement or something today, right?
Yeah, at like 1:30 or something like that, because they're adding in crypto trading now with Tradeify, so you'll be able to trade like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those. Thank you, Anthony. I appreciate it, bro. Like, listen, I get excited when I lock in payouts. I don't care if it's 1,500, 1,000. I get excited every time I lock in a payout on an account. I feel like we're going to come down here and touch this VWAP. Let's see if we build out maybe a little flag to take us lower. I killed that one. I killed that trade right there. I didn't want to push it up further on me. So now I'm just going to wait. I'm still getting the 5K payout regardless. I have multiple funded accounts here. This is one of my newer funded accounts. Come on, Betsy. Close out. I'm in the green again. We hit that pivot, not pivot, the VWAP. So just clean that one up. We're back in the green. So I'm gonna see if I can add a little bit more to this one here. Give me the flushy flush.
I'm building a flag. It's like,
What time frame is it building the flag on?
actually, that's on the yes, but on the 2 minute, it's building a slight flag. Let me go. Let me see. Yeah, it's building a flag on the 1 minute and it's partially on the 2 minute.
Okay. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. I'll just lock that in right there. Have you ever traded for Duane? Just curious. What do you mean, have I ever traded? Oh, were you saying Forex? No, I have not traded Forex. Sean, definitely get in, but trade with prop firms. If you got 27 grand in your savings, I want you to take $200, not 27, not 27,000, $200. You're going to buy 2 evals with Tradeify, code LWS, by the way. That'll get you the best rate with them. And you're going to buy 2 50K accounts, select accounts. You're going to use those accounts to grow and get payouts. Izzy, yes, you can, sir. Same thing. The same way you set up your Tradeify, you go to your connections. That's why I like trading on NinjaTrade. You can have multiple connections going at the same time. Go to your connections and you'll put in your credentials for Lucid that they gave you as another like connection, and you'll be able to have all your accounts pulled up for all your firms. Yo, I'm freaking hot. Is my AC not working? Like, what is going on today? I just turned my fan on behind me a little bit more, but Jesus. Where's my nest? I don't know if it's the hat just holding in the heat. No, my house is at 67 degrees. I'm sweating right now. Like,
you're jumping around, you're running upstairs, you're dancing. It's all happening right in front of our eyes.
Well, I think I'm gonna call me. Well, I'll rotate to like an eval. I'll rotate to like an eval. Just so that way I can keep on trading for the next like 10, 15 minutes without risking in my funded accounts. Actually, no, I'll do that later. Let me actually see how much I actually made today. Hold on, folks. Let me get my handy dandy calculator out. You know what I'm saying? Men and women lie. Numbers do not. Yeah, I will give you the amount with the fees taken out. So this is what goes into the actual account. Bam. We like that. So on the day, take home $2,758.60. Yeah, Sean. So it'll be, I'll actually post the link. Hold on. Let me grab the link for you. I'll put it in the chat. So you can just copy and paste it. He's on the shorts feed. And of course that's not working. Gotta love it. Give me a second, Sean. I'm gonna get it posted for you, bro. I gotta post it from my phone because sometimes the YouTube stuff, like on the computer, it acts weird. I don't know why. Sean, I just posted it, bro. So I recommend you getting the 50K select account, code LWS. That'll get you the best rate for it. And honestly, also join the Legacy Wealth Society, bro. It's free to join, so we can get you trained up and geared up for trading with keeping it simple, bro. With keeping it simple. Mikey, good job, bro. Listen, for all new traders and even seasoned traders, if you want to win at trading, focus on base hits. That could be a couple $100 for you. It could be $1,000 for you. But find a number that you can consistently make each and every day, and that becomes your base hit. You do that for a long period of time, you get a lot of payouts. Do not swing for the fence. Too many traders swing for the fence and they get struck out. So I'm one of the rare people online teaching people base hits because I want to see you guys actually win, not lose in the markets. I don't want you guys being the 95% that lose at trading. And if you keep coming to these streams, the morning streams and the hangout streams every single night at 9:30, you're going to learn, you're going to grow, and you're going to make money. Yeah, so Anthony, so I'm not drawing out the full flag. So when I'm doing the line, these yellow lines is for the flag that I'm looking at. So if you see a line up top like this, like right there, that's a small bull flag. And we pushed up. So I want to see if we do another bull flag up here to take us higher. If I put a line on the bottom slanted up, that means I'm looking for a short. If I put a line on top, I'm looking for a long. I just don't draw the full flag because my eyes, they already know what they're looking for. But I still put the top yellow line because that's my line in the sand. I put the line in the sand so I know if we break this line, I'm going to take a trade. But we have to break it with follow through and momentum. Yo, your boy's going to Mexico on Sunday. I'm taking y'all with us. We're vlogging it. We're streaming it. We're doing the Traders Hangouts while in Mexico. We're still streaming every morning with you guys from Mexico to trade live. Listen, your boy's in a good mood. Not going to lie. Can you explain the follow through? 100%, bro. So when I say follow through, this top chart right here, this is letting me see the momentum. This is showing me the momentum of the market. So when I put my line for a bull flag, right, I want to see the price go through the yellow line with follow through. So I don't want it pushing through barely and then pulling back because that's not follow through. Follow through is continuing in the same direction without a fast pullback. So when I see it push through the line and it doesn't pull back, that's when I execute. Because I'm watching the Renko bars up top, making sure we have more green for a bull flag than a couple red candles starting to print. My fan's starting to work. I'm happy. I'm starting to cool off up here finally. Let's see if we get this bull flag on the 2-minute. I'll take a trade on this eval because I'm done trading my fundeds. Made over $2,700 in my funded accounts today. I'll take $1,000 a day, keeps the bills away. We're already up over 20 grand for the month in profits. And we still got 2 more weeks to trade. Crazy to say that. But local, you gotta make sure you're using like some Renko bars so you can actually watch the momentum. Because if you're only watching the standard candlesticks, you're not going to see the momentum. Sean, I feel you, bro. Listen, I lost 10K back in 2022 trying to learn how to trade. I had no clue what I was doing. I put 10K into the markets. I blew it in less than 2 weeks. So trust me, I understand being cautious. That's why the way I'm teaching people how to do this is honestly one of the safest ways you can trade because it's so simple. Believe it or not, less is more when it comes to trading. The more indicators, the more pieces of strategies you have, the less you're going to make. You have to keep this so clean, so simple, where you can duplicate it each and every day. Local, mine are set for 8.4, but if you can't set it that way, you should put it like on the 1 second for the Rincos. So like when I'm traveling, like next week, when we're trading live, you won't see my screen like this. It's going to be Tradeovate will be the platform I'm trading on when I travel. So those bars are set for 1 second. Slow and steady, Anthony. Being real, it's been going fine. Like my whole goal is, let me help y'all real quick, right? As a trader, we all are, especially traders with prop firms, we all put the times in our head like, okay, I have to trade for 5 days. So when you get closer to the 5th day, you're putting more and more pressure on yourself. I take the pressure off and I tell myself, hey, if I can't get a payout this week, it is what it is. If I can't get a payout in 2 weeks, it is what it is. As long as I get a payout in the month per account, I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? Like, because it's really good money, even if I do just one payout per account for the month. So you got to take the pressure off of yourself in order for you to scale. That's the only way you'll be able to scale with prop firms. You have to take the pressure off and know it's on your time, not their time. I'll probably stay on for another like 5-6 minutes here because I actually had to run around town today for one of my businesses offline here. So there's that bull flag pushing that I drew on the 2-minute chart. Let's see if we get some follow through here. We're right at my yellow line. So right now we don't have follow through. So I'm looking for the bull flag, but we don't have follow through yet. We need more bullish momentum. Yep. Sean, I preach base hits. Slow and steady. Slow and steady gets the results. Nice, Big Trust 844. That's awesome, bro. Good job. This is the Nasdaq, bro. This is the Nasdaq. Welcome, sir. So we do have that buying wick, but I want to see the momentum. There we go. Let's see if we push a little bit more now. We do have selling pressure up here. That's why I'm not just jumping in and jump in right now. Gee, how you doing, bro? You've been quiet today. Chandler, we're doing great, bro. Made a little bit over $2,700 today in my funded accounts. Your boy locked in a 5K payout with my trading today, so just chilling. Sean, on my channel, in the description, there's a link. Click the link. Join the Legacy Wealth Society for free, bro. I'll get you added today. Tradeify does have a trailing drawdown, technically, but I never think about it because I do base hits. Get me attitude. No attitude, fair. No attitude. Have a good one, Sean. No, I was trying to join. Stupid. Yeah. Nightbot just posted a link as well. Join the Legacy Wealth Society completely for free. There's that follow through on the bull flag.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
Hey. I jumped in a little bit before you on that trade, 1250 right there.
That's awesome, bro. Good job. Make sure we're posting. I got my sombrero.
Yo, hey, listen, Duane, I watched that line. As soon as I seen it jumped over that, like your yellow line, I said, fuck that. I just jumped in.
Make sure you're jumping in with follow through, though. Please.
It did. I said, ooh, I'll take that.
Hey, 1250, right?
Hey, man. I'm about to pass this eval.
Hamid, I love you more, bro. I love you more, fam. Well,
I wish I was on my lucid funded, but
this is the Nasdaq. Welcome, sir. I'm just happy I locked in the 5K payout today.
so how's the lucid thing go? How does that go?
For the payouts?
Well, on the funded, on 100K, I think.
You still trade it for 5 days, but with them, you get your payouts even faster. So you literally will get your payout within like 20 minutes of your request.
Damn.
Hamid, awesome, bro. Hamid's up in 4 of his accounts. He feels hopeful again. Bro, this is it, bro. Keep it simple, base hits, and you'll win. Yeah, I'm getting off in 2 minutes, folks, because your boy's done trading, right? Nothing but W's today. Funded accounts, you can only have 5 with Tradeify, but you can have as many evals as you want. So I still trade evals with them, so that way if one of my funds ever get blown, I have a new soldier ready to take its place. Nice, Rhonda. That's awesome. Good job. Make sure for all my legacy members in here, make sure you're putting your wins or losses in the community discussion. That's where we stay accountable. That's where we're showing people, hey, I'm winning. Hey, I had a bad day, but maybe someone will give me some advice for tomorrow to help me trade better. BP, what's up, bro? You missed it, man. You missed it. Thanks, local.
Hey, EP wants you to like cork it all. Throw it in
Full port because BP's in the chat. No, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm green on all my accounts. We locked in a 5K payout today. We're chilling. I do use candlesticks.
I want to try to put some money in my fund.
Bro, Hamid, are you in the community, bro? If you are, put that statement in the community discussion, bro. I'm happy for you, fam, for real. It was choppy for a little bit, but after, I want to say like 10, 15-ish, it started moving a little bit better. So I didn't take any trades till like after 10. All right, boys, I'm going to be tuning off here. I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Should be at 9:30. If it gets pushed back, it'll be pushed back to 10 o'clock since I'm going out to dinner tonight. But we'll have the Traders Hangout tonight, and we're going to have some fun because we're officially going to Mexico again. So hopefully you guys are excited for that vlog, those streams, everything like that as well. Nothing but love to you guys. I will check y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout Legacy. I appreciate y'all. Market makers, nothing but love, fellas. Love to see you guys winning. And I appreciate you guys trusting me to help you win in the markets.
Give me tea.
Have a good weekend, boys. If you're not on the Hangout tonight, be blessed.
Always.
Yes, sir. Have a good weekend, BP. I will talk to you tonight on the Hangout. So, Rhonda, all the Legacy members in the YouTube streams, appreciate y'all. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day and stay safe in the markets, folks. Be blessed, everyone.